your camera time?
Sharing problems, only friends can make you pass it. Nice. And we were friends. We were.
Idris. Come on, CG3, what you doing? Relaxing. Huh?
I kind of do wish we had somewhere with some shade now.
I know.
Because I was standing
He
there.
just got him some shade. He don't want some shade.
Felt the sweat going down my back. Oh, God.
See you later, CG3. Come on. You ain't that tired already. We just started walking. Come on. You better hurry up. You better hurry up.
I know, right? You had me a little worried. It ain't like you.
Oh, look at that old car.
Oh,
really?
He a hater.
That car looks ugly.
You don't like it?
No.
That's an old one. Smoking Willie's barbecue, huh? You ready to eat?
Smoking?
Yeah, it says Smoking Willie's barbecue on the top of the truck.
Yeah, I'm gonna get me a sandwich. I ain't gonna lie, I do kind of want a burrito. I do want a burrito, but I do want to try the size.
I've been having a taste for nachos.
Yeah,
Is it cheese?
go
Oh, I'm
ahead,
sorry.
Go ahead. No, go ahead, babe.
It's the nacho cheese, not just the shredded cheese, right?
Look.
Like comes with cheese sauce.
Gummy bear.
She gave you some gummy bears? It's
We don't have
nice.
nacho cheese hot just yet. So it'll be probably 15 minutes before we can do nachos.
Okay.
I just realized that and I sold one already.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'll wait for that.
Go with them, Bob.
Ooh,
Cedric, calm down, man.
these loaded nachos is good.
Ooh.
I know they are kind of worrisome, huh? It's the carnival right here.
A spin wheel.
It's a Ferris wheel. That one has the rocking seats. I don't like the ones with the rocking seats. You want to go on the Ferris wheel, CG3?
I don't know. I don't think it's open right now.
Why not? Probably just ain't nobody over there.
Alright, you don't let me.
Look both ways first, CG3. To the left, okay, to the right. There you go. You can go. You can go ahead and go before the car comes. Ooh, the little kiddie rides. Come on, y'all, let's hop on these dragon rides. When are they going to open?
Helicopter.
Oh, it is helicopters.
Wait, I saw people.
Yeah, but... Oh, yeah, this is a whole little carnival, huh?
Yeah.
But nothing is open yet.
Yeah, we need weight.
We need to wait.
I want to ride the blue.
You want to ride the blue one?
Yeah, what do you ride that one? Where you ride?
It's which one
Which one?
will you ride?
Where you... Dang!
What? Oh, these trucks and stuff back here? Oh, that's where the roller coaster is. Is this where they recruiting at, Cedric? They're probably like a recruiting station right there? Oh. Say I already been there, done that.
I already did that, dog.
But you say never again, Cedric? Huh?
I said, yep.
Oh, look at this one, CG3. Look at this truck right here. With the pink wheels. These are like big monster trucks.
Can we go there?
I don't think you can go in. You can't go inside these people trucks. Yeah, I don't think you can get in.
Yes, we can.
You can't. We can check it out though. They got the speakers sitting in the back and everything. Dang, that wheel is big as you almost. That's a big wheel. Idris, you see?
He sleep?
No, he's just looking around. You okay?
You can't get sick. This what you do with your camera time?
Let me do it.
He cheated. He got glasses. I don't have glasses. Okay. Oh, DJ back.
Oh my
DJ
God. Same three moves.
Say don't be jealous. It's nice.
I feel like it's probably lower. Does it lower too?
This is nice. Look at the details on this. You don't like this? Dang. This is nice. Nuggets truck. Wow. That's cool. Look at this. Mustang, my favorite. Get off with us, CG3. Okay, get off. He laid all back. He like, this the life. Look here, don't touch it though. Scoot back. Be careful, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, what is that though in the middle? Oh, this is nice.
This one not your car, Mom.
I know it's not my car, but I'm looking at it. It's nice. I haven't seen no bed with a basic wood floor basically in the back of the truck. Model A Restorers Club. What kind of hood is this? Model A airbag. What? And these are the back seats that you can just close? Man, they even got the low suitcases and stuff. This is like backwards, huh? It's, so I'm assuming the engine is back here. Yep. The engine is back here where the trunk would be. They got a tiny little look-alike car in here too. Georgia Avenue. Oh. Oh, look. That's cool.
Dad, can I touch it?
No, don't touch it. You're not supposed to touch the stuff. That's cool.
Please eat me.
That's cool. Wow, I wonder where he had to go to get all this done. Where do you even sit at? Oh, right here.
That's different.
I know, right? I'm thinking like they actually drive this around.
I got eaten, Mommy.
You did? Oh, look.
Oh, look, where?
It's a little snake, a rattlesnake right here.
Copperhead.
But why is it?
Oh, copperhead.
Can I touch it?
Don't touch it. No, just look. You keep asking me that. Scoot back. Don't touch these vehicles. This is just for you to look.
3, 2, go! You have the wrong car.
There you go, there you go. Oh, the white one's about to win.
That isn't your car that you're gonna race.
Oh, the white one won.
Did you win? Did you win? Yeah.
Oh, we have 2 more. I need to go faster.
You can go faster.
No!
Here we go.
You won?
Yeah.
Good job.
We trying to see what's going on, Daddy.
Easy.
You see Big Brother? Look.
Hi.
Too much? Okay. Okay. He don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, he didn't like it. He was fine at first.
Okay, look.
Okay, Mom, it's your turn.
I want to rock at the music.
You watch your mommy and brother watch them play?
Come on, Mommy.
CG3 split the field. Idris. Hi. You ready, CG3? Yeah. You gonna get on that? You gonna get on the spinning wheel? Boy. You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Don't be up there crying once you get up there with Daddy. Bobo. You see Daddy and CG3 ready to get on the ride?
Touch you with your friends.
Oh, stomach, you can go first on the next one this time.
Okay.
I'm Gucci, I'm Gucci. It was fun?
That boy was on that screen. CT3.
Yes, he did. That's exactly.
Daddy, I'm scared. Which one?
The Walker.
Again?
Yeah.
Gotta change it. Hold on, y'all.
Take it.